Meaning of flavored.
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 Flavored. The term flavored refers to something that has been enhanced or infused with a particular taste or aroma. This can be achieved using natural ingredients or synthetic flavorings. Flavoring can be added to various food and beverage products such as confectionaries, beverages, and snacks. It is often used to enhance the taste of products, making them more appealing to consumers. Flavoring agents can range from sweet and fruity to savory and spicy, depending on the desired taste profile. Overall, flavored products provide consumers with a more enjoyable sensory experience when consuming the product.